Welcome. This tutorial is one of a series that we are creating to demonstrate user interface features of the NASA IPAC Extragalactic Database. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to explore the spatial coverage of major astronomical surveys in the vicinity of a NED object. Enter an object name in the search box on the home page, for example 3C279. NED responds with an overview of selected data and derived quantities for the object, and a set of tabs containing additional data of various types. Select the tab labeled Survey Coverage, and you will be presented with a color composite image from the 2-micron all-sky survey. A small target symbol in the center marks the coordinates of the object. The partially transparent green and orange regions are known as multi-order coverage or MOC maps. The green MOC map shows coverage of the all-sky imaging survey of NASA's GALEX mission that obtained direct images in near and far UV bands. The orange MOC map shows coverage of the SDSS Data Release 9, which surveyed about 1/3 of the sky in 5 visual bands. From this, we can see that our target object was observed by GALEX, but not by SDSS. The 3 dark regions represent areas that lack observations by both GALEX and SDSS. Click on the Overlay Layer icon at the upper right. The dialog box shows there are actually 6 layers of information available. Look at the layers for the GALEX and the SDSS MOC maps. By default, Fill is selected for both. Try selecting Outline and note the change in the display. Regions with successively smaller polygons often mark areas near the edges of a survey or gaps in survey coverage. We'll select the Fill option for the rest of this demo. Now click on the link labeled Color to open the color picker. You can change color and transparency either by moving the slider or input values directly. The Layers dialog, you can delete or change the color and transparency of any individual layer, or you can use the buttons in the lower left to show all or hide all the layers. Next, click on the Tool icon in the upper right. Then locate the Expand icon and click on it. This will bring up a global view of the sky coverage. Note the Milky Way galactic plane on the bottom left of this image. You can explore the large-scale coverage of GALEX and SDSS further by holding your left mouse button and dragging to rotate the celestial sphere. Finally, we can also change the background image. Click on the tab labeled Change Hips. Here you can choose from a suite of background images. For example, by selecting the last entry, the image constructed from Planck's 353, 545, and 857 GHz observations will be used for the background. We hope you found this brief tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. Please check the NED website for other information, and feel free to check our Facebook page for updates and subscribe to the NED YouTube channel for other videos. You can also send us comments by clicking the Connect with NED icon in the footer of the NED web pages.